Hello folks, good evening again. We are at the Somerset, in Somerset, 313 Somerset, Orchard, Singapore. See, there's so many dessert here. Dessert. Okay? So lovely, local dessert. So many people eating. This is a food court at the Somerset. Somerset, okay? Ani! So many people. See? The food court is so big. March 25, 2026, okay? Selling dessert. So many people, right? Yeah, this is only weekdays. Ani! There's a chicken rice there. Okay. Those boxes there. Chicken rice. Sit down, Ani. Okay. At Somerset Food Court, okay? Where is this? St. Is in there? Toilet is here. But just now I saw. That's right, that's right. There, in the middle. There you go, that's it. Okay? Now we just had our dinner here. Okay? March 25, 2026. So many things to buy here. So many restaurants. Okay. Land. Okay, folks. Ora. There's this boy. There's the sink there. There's a restaurant there. There's a sink there. Yes. That is where the place we always go. Singtel, yeah. Okay. Singtel is Singapore Telecommunication Services. Okay, there's a play dress. This is 313 Mall, Somerset, Orchard, Singapore. Mango. It's a mango. Triumph is there. Triumph. Mango and Triumph. Mango. There's a renovation going on. Okay. La Bonito. This mall is like a link, link mall. Yeah, Grand Central and another mall, yes, they are linked. They are linked. This is one long, is it there? Yes. One long mall with shopping mall. And there's MRT here. We are going to take MRT going home now. Okay? So many people here. This is only weekdays. There's a garret there. Popcorn. You see? One long malls. Yeah. You see? They continuously all the way there, you know. Honey, here. MRT is here. Honey, we need to go down. Honey, honey, here. Honey. And this is there. The escalator is there. Supposed to go down another. That's like so many things to see. Okay, that's for tonight, folks. March 25, 2026. Okay, enjoy. Okay, here is a bread cup. Okay, I continuously okay, bread cup here, lots of food. Enjoy Singapore. Okay, Somerset 313 Orchard. Okay, Singapore.